This is going to move quick, so stay with us very quickly. We're going to show you how to protect your trees from your pets or dogs or whatever you have in your backyard very easily and very effectively with just 2x2s and wire cloth. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created these dog protective covers for my trees. Now you might be wondering, why does this guy have a tree fashion show going on in his backyard? Well, it's not for style, it's for protection. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll need some wire cloth, which you can get from any Home Depot or Lowe's or Tractor Supply or wherever. And you'll also need some 2x2s, which are actually 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch. So they actually call them 2x2s. And you want these to be treated lumber. What you're going to do at this point is drive those 2x2s into the ground on each side of the tree that you want to protect. You're going to also need some wire ties, so let's not forget those. Just some plastic wire wraps. And then you're going to want to wrap the wire cloth around the outside. And now as your trees get bigger, you might want to expand the distance between those two, between the two. But I think when they're small like these are tiny. You might want to just have them close in, but these are going to keep, look how sturdy this is, right? On all my trees. This is very sturdy. Your dogs can't knock them over. And that's all there is to it, really. Just use wire cloth, 2x2s, and some wire wraps, and you have a very good solution for your backyard. So, and there you have it, a stylish and functional dog-proof tree cover. Now, your trees can grow happily without any dog interference. Plus, it gives your backyard a kind of rustic DIY charm. Again, all it needs is some wire cloth and a couple of 2x2s. Please hit the like and subscribe button to the Home Tip Show. We'll see you next time.